Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in the Agentforce series, earlier we have learned about how we can create the custom actions using the Salesforce flow and the Salesforce Apex. Using the flows and Apex, we have created the action and then we have assigned those actions to the AI agent so that agent can perform the task according to the prompt given by the user. Now there is another way to create the action for the AI agent, which is using the prompt template in Salesforce. Now we got the idea why we need to create the prompt template to assign the action to the AI agent. But now what is the prompt builder? So here to create the prompt template in the Agentforce, we used to create it using the prompt builder in Salesforce Agentforce. So in this video, we are going to learn about the prompt templates and prompt builder in Salesforce Agentforce and the video links of how we can create the custom actions and assign to the AI agent using the Salesforce FX and the Salesforce flow I have provided in the description box. You can check out those links so that you will get more idea about how we can create the actions using the Apex and the flows. Now in this video, I am going to introduce about the prompt template and prompt builder in Salesforce Agentforce. So we will understand what is the prompt template and how we can create the prompt template using the prompt builder in Agentforce. So for that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Now, before moving ahead, there is a very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. We have launched Salesforce training courses. So here, as you visit to our SalesforceFAQs.com website, here you will see the courses. Here we have the Salesforce admin training course, then the Agentforce training course, and then we will also have the Join Pro bundle. As you navigate to the courses, so here you can see, here we have the year-end sales where you will get the Salesforce training course bundle with the 50% off. And also as you scroll down, here you will see the courses that we have created. In that we have the Salesforce admin training course, Agentforce training course, and then complete training course bundle in which you will have the Salesforce admin training course with the Agentforce course. So if you want to enroll for these courses, you can click on this enroll now button. And also if you want to know more about these courses, you can click read more button. There we have added the course content and then the feature of these courses. Now coming back to our topic. So very first, let's understand what is the prompt template and the prompt builder in Salesforce Agentforce. For that, let me navigate to the PPT. Now here, the prompts are the generative AI can give the correct output or meaningful answers if it is given effective prompt. That means whenever we want to search anything on the generative AI such as ChatGPT or in our case to the agent, so here to get the correct output or the meaningful answers, we need to give the effective prompt. Then the prompts are the way you communicate with the large language models. After that, we know that designing an effective prompt is a key to unlocking the benefits of generative AI. Now let's understand what are the prompts in the simple words. So here I opened the ChatGPT where we can raise the query or gives the prompt, and according to that the agent will give us the response. So here I am giving the prompt, generate an image of a crowded city. So I have given this prompt, and as I press the enter key, now here you can see the response. It's taking time. Now here you can see I got the response as per the prompt I provided. So this is the crowded city image. Now let me give the one more prompt with the important information grounded with my needs. So here I am giving another prompt. Now this time here I will provide the specific details again. Generate the image of again crowded city. Then again I am providing the city should be an Indian and also give the Indian touch to the image. Now here you can see I provided the specific prompt as per the information I needed. Now again as I press the enter key, again it will process the image. Now this time here you can see, as we give the specific prompt that we want to need, the AI can give much more meaningful responses, and the difference is here, the first prompt did not have the grounded data, but in the second prompt it does, which is the Indian city. So the designing an effective prompt is a key to unlocking the benefits of generative AI. So now you have got an idea about the prompts, how we can give the prompts to get the correct response. Now let's understand what is prompt builder. Now we know that to create the flows in the Salesforce, we use the flow builder, where we can create the flow which automate the process for Salesforce. Now same like that, the prompt builder is a tool where we can build the prompt template, and then this prompt template we can assign as actions to our AI agent. Now here are some features of the prompt builder. Here we have build trusted generative AI with easy. That means we can create the prompt templates bound to one or multiple objects to generate summaries or content. That means once we create the prompt template, we can bound that prompt template to multiple objects to generate the summaries or the content. In the Agentforce employee agent, we have seen whenever we give the prompt to the AI agent, which is Agentforce employee agent, to summarize the data for the account object, then that time whatever the standard actions Salesforce has been provided, that has been created from this prompt builder, or that action is prompt template. So using that prompt template, we can create the prompt templates which we can bound to the multiple object to summarize the data. Then we have enrich prompts with your data. That means we can create more relevant prompts grounded to your business data from the CRM, data cloud and external sources. That means in earlier session, we have created the Agentforce employee agent, which is library agent. And for that library agent, we have assigned the data library, where we have provided the document in which we have the information about the books. And for that agent, whatever the action we have assigned, that is created from this prompt template. So that action was perform the task to retrieve the information from the data library for AI agent. That means using this prompt builder, we can create the prompts grounded to our business data from the CRM. So in our case, we have created the data library, which is data cloud. And then we have preview and version templates, where we can test and preview the resolution and response and the version them. That means after creating any prompt template for any action, whatever we are going to assign to our AI agent, before assigning that action to our AI agent, we can test it, we can preview that resolution and the response and the version them also. That means we can give the generative AI version, like for the ChatGPT we have ChatGPT 2, ChatGPT 3, ChatGPT 4, like that we can give the version to our prompt templates. After that we have the feature use templates everywhere. That means after building the prompts once, reuse them everywhere in the sales emails, record page, flows, Apex and the Einstein Copilot. So here the Einstein Copilot is nothing but the AI agent. Earlier for the AI agent, the naming convention was Einstein Copilot. That means once we create the prompt template using this prompt builder, we can use them in the sales email, record pages, flows, Apex and the AI agent. So in the upcoming session, we will be understand how we can use this prompt template in the sales email, record pages, flows, Apex and even AI agent also. Now let's understand different types of prompt template in Salesforce Agentforce. So here first we have the sales email, then the field generation, then the record summary and then flex template. So let's understand what is sales email prompt template. So here this sales email prompt template we can use to draft the emails for sales. And while creating this sales email prompt template, which data we can bound to with this? So here we have users, contact, lead object and then record information also. So for example, in the Agentforce default agent, we have seen whenever we give prompt to the AI agent, like draft email for this contact, for the arrange meeting or anything, or That AI agent perform that action because of this sales email prompt template that Salesforce has been assigned to that agent. So here we will understand how we can create our custom sales email prompt template and use them to draft the emails for sales. After that we have the field generation prompt template to create text that's stored in record fields. That means here we can create the field on the object, and that field we can add to this field generation prompt template. So for example, we have the account object and we want to know the sales has been done by this account, or also how many cases are open for this account. So here what we can do, for the cases we will create the field called pending cases, and then we will add that field to this field generation prompt template. And after creating this field generation prompt template, whatever the pending cases for that account has, that will be get displayed on that field. So because of this, it will be very easy, without navigating to the related object or the related cases, we can see those cases on that account itself. So like this, whatever the information we want to summarize in one field, we can create the field generation prompt template for the object. After that we have record summary prompt template. So here we can use the record summary prompt template to customize the default summarization copilot action. So again here the copilot action means AI action or agent action. So here again in the earlier sessions of the Agentforce employee agent, we have given the prompt to summarize the data. At that time the Agentforce employee agent has been used this record summary prompt template in Salesforce, which was standard action provided by the Salesforce. So here we will create the record summary prompt template, which is custom action, and then we will see how it can summarize the record for the AI agent. After that, the fourth type we have, which is flex template. So the flex template in Agentforce is used to create the text that can be used from the custom entry point. So here the flex template is most powerful of these four types, where it supports up to 5 object details which can be grounded in the prompt template, whereas the sales or field generation prompt template are only bound to specific record objects. Now let's understand the invocation of prompt templates. That means from where we can invoke or call this prompt template in the Salesforce Agentforce. So first, how we can invoke the sales email prompt template? So here we can invoke from the draft email feature from the Agentforce action. So there, whenever we enable the prompt templates, there we will get the option to draft the email feature on the AI action, and from there we can invoke this sales email prompt template. After that, except the agent action, we can invoke this sales email prompt template from the flows, REST API or the Apex in Salesforce. After that, for the field generation prompt template, we can invoke this in the record page, since whenever we create the field and that field we add to this field generation prompt template, that's why we can invoke this from the record page, again from the agent action, flows, REST APIs and then Apex. After that, the record summary prompt template we can only invoke from the agent action that we have seen in the Agentforce employee agent. And after that, the flex template we can invoke from the agent action, flows, REST APIs and then Apex. Now from the upcoming videos, I will be explain how we can create these types of prompt template in Salesforce Agentforce. So in this session, I hope you have got an idea about the prompts, prompts builder, prompt templates and different types of prompt templates. What are they, their uses and how we can invoke them in the Salesforce Agentforce. So I hope whatever I explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever we post a new video, you will get an update. Thank you.